Good morning. Why did the chicken cross the road? Why did the rubber chicken cross the road? Why did the chicken cross the playground? Stay tuned for the answers to those questions and more facts about today's topic, chickens. Whether they are white, brown, black, gold, silver, red, blue, or green, most chickens in the world live on farms or even as pets. In fact, in most cities, you are allowed to even have a few backyard chickens as pets. Chickens like to be held, if they're tame. A few weeks ago, I mentioned that chickens are the most numerous bird species in the world, with about 25 billion on Earth. Now, chickens are mostly raised for their eggs and their meat. These chickens are free-range chickens. That means that during the day, they're allowed to move about. They're not caged in. Now, chickens being omnivores will eat both plants and meat. They'll eat grass, bugs, fruit, vegetables, table scraps, and sometimes in the wild, they'll even eat lizards, small snakes, and young mice. Chickens will also often swallow gravel to help grind or mash their food. That's because they don't have teeth. They have a special muscular part of their stomach called a gizzard. And that gizzard uses that gravel or grit to grind their food into more digestible particles. Even free-range chickens usually need a coop or a pen or yard of some sort to guard against predators. Predators like foxes, coyotes, raccoons, dogs, mink, owls, or hawks. A chicken's lifespan is anywhere from 5 to 8 years on the average. Male chickens are roosters, female chickens are hens, and baby chickens are just called chicks. Now, an adult hen will lay about 300 eggs a year, but as they get older, they produce larger eggs, but they also produce eggs less often. And did you know that classical music can actually help your chickens lay bigger, heavier eggs? By the way, chickens lay most of their eggs in the morning hours. Many people think that chickens are flightless, meaning they can't fly. Well, a few varieties are flightless, but most chickens can fly a little bit, well enough to make it over a fence or up in a small tree to get away from a predator. Did you know that chickens can remember 50 to 100 different faces of people and animals? They have an amazing memory. And chickens have a unique language with each other. Over 30 different sounds they use to communicate throughout the day. Here are some of those different ways they communicate. Now, to us, it sounds like a bunch of clucking and squawking, but they are understanding each other, and each of those sounds means something different. So why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side. Why did the rubber chicken cross the road? To stretch its legs. Why did the chicken cross the playground? To get to the other slide. Have a great day.